Thank you for watching videos by Jeff Sebelius and LandandAirPhotos.com. In this unique quick tip, I'll perform a follow-up test on the PowerExtra battery for the Typhoon H. It worked great for its first flight, but how does it perform after 6 months of use? Last year I did an initial flight test on the PowerExtra 6300 mAh battery for the Yuneec Typhoon H. The initial test was very good, giving me a first flight time of 19 minutes 54 seconds. A link to that video is in the upper right corner. The question was raised as to how the PowerExtra battery would hold up under continuous use. So, for the next 6 months I used the PowerExtra battery on more than 3 dozen flights in conditions ranging from 32 degrees to 100 degrees Fahrenheit. Then, I tested it again using the same basic parameters as the original test. I put it in my Typhoon H and hovered it in place until the battery was exhausted and the drone auto-landed. My first test was done in 90-degree temperatures with 4 to 6 mile/hour winds. My follow-up test was done in 55 to 60 degree temperatures, but the winds were more like 6 to 8 miles per hour. The drone hovered for 5 minutes, then 10. The H developed a significant circling pattern indicating that it needed a calibration. I don't know if this had any effect on battery life. We hit 15 minutes and I got my first battery warning. The aircraft continued to hover, and ultimately the battery ran low enough to force an auto-land at 20 minutes 41 seconds. The bad calibration almost caused the H to crash on landing, as you can see here. I did not use the drone's camera during this flight, which would have used additional power and shortened the flight somewhat, but I think the point is still made. The PowerExtra battery is still performing extremely well after 6 months of regular use. You can now buy the PowerExtra battery for $72.99 at Amazon, which is cheaper than its price when I did the test last year, so now it's even a better deal. I put links to the battery in the description below. You can buy your drone accessories from many sources. I encourage you to check out acesdeals.biz. Aces Deals is an extremely reputable dealer of drones and drone supplies, and I'm excited to have them as a sponsor for this channel. If you use the promo code JSLAP, that's JSLAP, when you order, you'll get a discount as well. Their link is in the description below. Remember, sharing is caring. If you would share this video on social media, I would really appreciate your help. Speaking of social media, I set up a Facebook group to make it easier for us to talk and arrange opportunities to fly together. Follow the link in the description below to sign up for the group. On screen you'll find links to more videos on how to fly drones, so please check them out. Before you go, be sure to hit the like button. Also, subscribe to this channel so you know when more videos are released. Thanks for watching.